Hey there! Welcome to my channel. In this fun-filled video, we learn to count from 1 all the way to 20 with the help of our lovely cartoon friends. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's jump right into our counting adventure. Number 1. One apple. This is one big juicy apple. Let's bounce it high in the sky. Up it goes. Down it goes. Can you say 1? 1 is for the apple that bounces in the sun. No, got 2. 2 balloons. Look at these 2 colorful balloons. They're floating up in the air. 2 is for the balloons that twirl around and around. Do you know the next number? Say it now. It's 2. 2. Number 3. 3 little kittens. 3 little kittens having fun. They purr and they play all day long. Listen to them. Meow, meow, meow. 3 is for the kittens who are soft and furry and oh so sweet. Can you say 3? 3 is for the kittens that curl up in a ball. Number 4 for 4 toy cars. Wow, look at these 4 toy cars. Vroom, vroom, vroom. They're zooming fast and they're having a blast. 4 is for the cars that go beep, beep on the road. Can you say 4? 4 is for the cars that we love to race. No, 5. Colorful stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Look up in the sky, so high above. You can see 5 colorful stars shining bright with love. 5 is for the stars that twinkle in the night sky. Can you say 5? 5 is for the stars that we wish upon so high. We did it. We counted from 1 to 5. Give yourself a pat on the back for learning with us today. And if you enjoyed this journey through numbers, don't forget to hit the like button so you're always updated on our latest adventures. Now let's move forward on our counting quest. Number 6. 6 yummy cupcakes. What do we have here? 6 yummy cupcakes. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. 6 is for the cupcakes with the yummy frosting and sprinkles too. Can you say 6? 6 is for the cupcakes that come in different delicious flavors. Chocolate, vanilla, or maybe red velvet. Yum, yum, no. 7 bouncing balls. Look at these 7 bouncy balls. They're jumping, skipping, having a ball. 7 is for the balls that go up and down. Can you say 7? 7 is for the balls that we throw and catch with glee. Number 8. 8 happy fish. Swim, little fishy. Look at these 8 happy swimming fish. 8 is for the colorful fish that live in the sea. Can you say 8? 8 is for the fish that are slippery and free. Number 9. 9 butterflies. Flutter, butterflies. These 9 butterflies are fluttering around. 9 is for the butterflies that are beautiful and free. Can you say 9? 9 is for the butterflies that fly from flower to tree. Number 10. 10 shining suns. Shine, little sun. This is 10 shining suns. 10 is for the suns that give us light and warmth so bright. Can you say 10? 10 is for the suns that say hello. And now we know how to count from 1 to 10. We're halfway there. We've learned 10 numbers. That's an achievement worth celebrating. Keep up the great work. And if you want to keep counting with us, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun. Now, let's move forward on our counting adventure. Number 11. 11 little flowers. Look at these 11 pretty little flowers blooming in the garden. Can you say 11? 11 is for the flowers that are beautiful and sweet smelling. Number 12. 12 cute penguins. Look at these 12 cute penguins. They're waddling and sliding. Isn't that fun? 12 is for the penguins that live far away in the snow. Can you say 12? 12 is for the penguins that slide and jump. Hip, hip, hooray! Number 13. 13 colorful crayons. Look at these 13 colorful crayons. They're ready to draw a picture. 13 is for the crayons that we use to make a masterpiece. Can you say 13? 13 is for the crayons that come in all different hues. Number 14. 14 buzzing bees. Look at these 14 busy little bees. Buzz, buzz, buzz. They're flying from flower to flower, collecting pollen. 14 is for the bees that live in a hive. Can you say 14? 14 is for the bees that make honey so sweet. Number 15. 15 bouncing balls of yarn. Look at these 15 playful balls of yarn. They're bouncing, rolling, and just waiting for you to play. 15 is for the balls of yarn that come in many different shades. Can you say 15? 15 is for the balls of yarn that we love to play with so much. If you've made it this far, you're doing a fantastic job. We're almost at the finish line. Just a few more numbers to go. Hit the like button to show us your support and get ready to count with us. Number 16. 16 bright balloons. Look at these 16 bright balloons floating high above. 16 is for the balloons that come in different sizes and shapes. Can you say 16? 16 is for the balloons that we let go of with a wish. Number 17. 17 shiny shells. Look at these 17 shiny seashells. They sparkle and glimmer in the sun. 17 is for the shells that we find on the beach, so serene. Can you say 17? 17 is for the shells that come in different shapes and hues. Number 18 colorful umbrellas. Look at these 18 colorful umbrellas opening up in the rain. 18 is for the umbrellas that protect us from the showers. Can you say 18? 18 is for the umbrellas that come in all different fun colors. Number 19 happy frogs. Ribbit, happy frogs. Look at these 19 happy little frogs sitting on a log. 19 is for the frogs that live near the pond. Can you say 19? 19 is for the frogs that leap and hop and giggle and chomp. Number 20 sparkling stars in the night sky. Look up and count these 20 sparkling stars twinkling above. 20 is for the stars that shine so bright. Can you say 20? 20 is for the stars that guide us through the night. We did it. We counted all the way to 20. Give yourself a big thumbs up for counting all the way with us. It was an amazing journey filled with numbers and fun. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Now let's watch all the numbers from 1 to 20. Flash by quickly. See if you can count along with us. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! And there you have it. We counted all the way from 1 to 20. This has been your host. Thanks for joining me on this fun-filled counting adventure. If you want more videos like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Keep practicing your numbers, and soon you'll be a counting pro. Until next time, keep counting and stay curious. Bye for now.
Let's count together. Come sing along from 1 to 20 in our happy song. 1 apple, red and bright. 2 balloons, up in the light. 3 kittens playing with yarn. 4 cars driving round the barn. 5 stars shining in the sky. 6 cupcakes, sweet to eat. 7 balls that bounce to the beat. 8 fish swimming all around. 9 butterflies up and down. 10 suns smiling big and round. 11 flowers bloom so high. 12 penguins waddle by. 13 crayons draw a line. 14 bees in a buzzing line. 15 boughs that look so fine. 16 balloons floating away. 17 shells by the bay. 18 umbrellas open wide. 19 frogs jump side to side. 20 stars sparkle with pride. Count with me. We're all done. Counting's easy and it's fun. From 1 to 20, hip hip hooray. Let's count again another day.